What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Eren from RXC Media. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most important form of digital content, more exactly videos. Today I'll show you how you can create a video using Windows 10 free editing tools. So if you want to discover how, make sure you stay to the end of this video. So let's get started. With Windows 10 we can create video in many ways using camera recording, using a screen recording, and using video editor. Camera recording. If you want to record yourself, camera recording app is the best choice. To access it, you need to go to the search bar and search for a camera app and click the video icon, and the app will start to record you automatically. The second is the screen recording. This is ideal for show your screen or work that you done on the screen. To access it, you need to press Windows G, and after that press start video. And last but not least is using the video editing tool. To use video editing tool, you need to go in the search bar and search for video editor app, and after that click on it. Once we get there, we can start creating a video project by clicking new video project. We name the name of the video. And press OK. So I already have a video in my library, so I will use it. We add the video. So this is the video. The first thing you can do with this video is to add a title card. We name first video. After that, we can trim the video. For example, if the video is too long, we can trim the video and make it shorter or longer depending on the. We can add a text with the text application. We can style. We can choose to put the text on the top, in the middle, or in the bottom. We can add different motions. Zoom right, zoom left. We can add some 3D effects, like let's say we add the balloons. We can add different filters, like we can make it slower and faster depending on how we want to do create this video. We can add a background music. We have here collection of music that you can use. That's it. If you are not happy with this music, we can use a custom. To add a custom file, just click add audio file, and we select the file that we want. I'm gonna add this. It's not this. And last thing that you can do is to finish the video, to export the video once the video is ready by clicking this button and export. So that was for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding my video, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye and see you in the next video.